Hello everybody. This is Thailiar. Again, in this amazing video, I'm going to talk about what is called hand to mouth system in this world. I'm saying about the hand to mouth system, the animalistic thing. Animalistic. I'm talking about the animalistic thing. Animal. Right now in this world, Homo sapiens in some areas have become animals. What does an animal do? Animals start coming into this world, physical world, and die. Consume it, live it, reproduce it, and die it. What a Homo sapien is doing right now here. Those who are without purpose, those who are without any vision, those who are without any invention, innovation thing in this world, those Homo sapiens are here without any purpose, without any vision, without anything here. Just coming here, getting themselves ready for jobs, markets, business, not about business, markets, start running to that, start living a life, having children, reproduce, and what? Little bit of adventure, little bit of happy, little bit of roaming here and there, and they have to end. What they do here? They're doing animalistic life. This is a bad thing I'm talking about. Elephant is far better than I can say this Homo sapien. I'm saying right now, those who are without any purpose, without any vision, without any construction of sphere of that why we are here, what is the existence of a Homo sapien here. Homo sapiens are from the evolution time they are growing evolves. Now this is the most evolved form of Homo sapien to understand here. This is the most evolved form of Homo sapiens right now here. You are the most evolved person, evolved system. All the new things is everything is with you. You're not more an animal. No one is going to say you as an animal. If you are an animal, that means you are just eating, sleeping, reproducing, and roaming here and there and just ending up your life. That is what animals do particularly. You are a Homo sapien. Homo sapien means you know about it. So here, human Homo sapiens come with the greatest of the greatest purposes. Every Homo sapien has the greatest purposes here, and they have to go with that. If you want to know your purpose, come to it to me. Come to me. I'm going to say your purpose. What you're going to do here in this world, I'm going to make your way for that. That is clear. I'm going to make and show you the way. Okay? This is Thalia saying it. This is Thalia saying it. Mind my words. If you want to know your purpose, what do you want to do here as a Homo sapien beyond animalistic view of wanting, living, eating, sleeping, and reproducing, dying, roaming, beyond that, what do you want to do? Just come to me, Thailand. I'm ready. I'm just going to say you what you are going to do. I'm just going to say you what you are going to do. Okay? I'm just going to explain you the whole scenario. Okay? Come to me. The vision, the vision of a Homo sapien is very important. When a Homo sapien sees a vision that okay, I am here for this thing, my vision is to build this thing here in this earth, in this physical earth, in this earth I'm going to build these type of things in this earth, these type of changes I can brought, I am going to brought in this earth. So this gives meaning to the Homo sapien living here beyond the animalistic perspective, beyond the animalistic things is here. This gives the purpose, this gives the vision, this gives the meaning to the Homo sapien for here. Everything happens here for meaning. The universe is designed, the universe is having here for everybody for meaning, purpose, and vision and mission. Everybody is here for that. Nobody is here for animalistic living. That is totally evolved form of Homo sapien right now. Okay, this is the most evolved form of Homo sapien right now. We are communicating here in this world, understanding each and each bit of the bit words I'm saying. Understand each bit of the bit words what I'm saying right now. What I'm saying right now. I have observed people who are in the business, just in the business, what they are doing in the business. What they are doing in the business. They're running the companies, they're selling the products, they're taking the products in the market, and they're putting their stomach work. Okay, what else they're doing? Yes, that is service they're doing. I can understand that is service. And beyond that, what they are doing in the business, that is for themselves. Eventually, some businesses are service oriented businesses, they are serving to the society. That is another thing I talk about it. But basically, business is what? Edible items business I talk about. That is what things is Homo sapiens plotting into consumption, and that is also a service oriented thing. Homo sapiens serving that. But beyond that, very deep purposes are here for Homo sapiens. Beyond business, beyond that thing, very deep purposes are there. Very deepest of the deepest purposes. New of the new purposes are there. Just you are here to find it out. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Why you are here? What is the purpose behind you? What do you are going to do here? Just get into deeper, more deeper, more deeper, more deeper, and search it, and you will definitely find it. You will definitely find that, oh, for that reason I'm here. Just get ahead and have a look of your life, that what you were usually doing in your life, what you were attracted towards, basically, not about in a psychological way, in from your heartest way, what thing you are attracted more. Just observe it. If you are attracted towards knowledge, books, just go ahead and dive deeper. You will definitely find your purpose there. You will definitely find something that, okay, by reading this book I can spread something, I can get deeper into something, I can build something tangible. The point is that many philosophers comes here, goes by saying the things is build something tangible that is remarkable and that will left your legacy here. Build something like tangible. I'm saying about tangible things are remarked for legacy. Build legacy. Build tangible things okay. Build tangible things here, not philosophical things is spreading the knowledge and so on, that this is that, this is that. No, this is not a good thing. This is not a real purpose of a Homo sapien to become a philosopher, and that philosophers have like what their grows in the winds, in the blow of the hazy things as they go away. Nobody talks about them, nobody goes with them. Some philosophies work, some philosophers certain words work, and others just flow away. But tangible things is have something impact. Tangible things is remains forever, and they remember, oh, this person has built it something like this. Okay, this is something that we are inspiring the Homo sapiens who are going to see that. They're going to inspire themselves. Okay, we are going to build more, far better. If this person has built it this, we are going to build far better. Though there, this is inspiring, this is giving me them more power, more strength, that yes, this is something psychologically. Okay, so build legacy, build something, find your purpose. Find your purpose. Or if you want to know your purpose, go ahead. Just contact me. Just reach me ahead. I'm going to solve it. Just reach me. I am going to solve it. Thailier is saying it. Mind my words. If you want to know your purpose, where you want to go, what do you want to do, what is the field I must go, what is the field I can build here, just come to me. I am going to say your purpose. Don't live your life animalistic for eating, living, reproducing, and roaming here and there and ending. No, don't go there. Just come, have your purpose, dip deeply. Thalia serenity. Okay? Lavish, eternal, transient, dynamic. Oh yeah.